Good morning to one and all. Today I am going to tell you about operating system and my name is Sharmila Mumtaz. In operating system we have different types of system calls. They are process control, file management, device management, information maintenance and the communication. Process control. This system call performs the task of process creation and process termination. Like we have to load and execute, end and abort, create a process and terminate a process, wait and signal event, allocate memory and free the memory. These are the system calls in the process control. Now coming to file management. In file management, system call handles file manipulation jobs like creating a file, reading a file, writing a file. Like first of all we should create a file. Then we should, if the file is not necessary, then we can close the file or delete a file. We can open a file and close a file. We can perform the operations like read, write, reposition, get and set file attributes. Device management. Management does the job of device manipulations like reading from device buffer, writing into device buffer, etc. It requests and releases the devices. It can be logically attached and detach the devices. We can get and set attributes in the device management. Information maintenance. It handles informations and it transfers between the information between the OS and the user program. Here we should get or set the time and data. In operating system we should compulsory maintain the time and data. If not, the update information or some errors will come if we does not maintain the information. We should also get process and device attributes. Communication. This type of system calls are specially used for intercommunication. That is why if you want to create or delete communications or connections, we can send and receive the messages. It helps the operating system to transfer the status information. We can attach or remove the devices. Now coming to the computer system organization. In computer system organizations we have computer system operation, storage structure and I/O structure. So what is a computer system operation? When the computer will be ready to use when we are on the system. Once the system is on, a bootstrap program starts running inside the operating system. So here the bootstrap program must know how to load the operating system and how to start the execution of the system. The bootstrap program must locate and load the operating system kernel into the memory. The operating system then executes the first process such as int and wait for some event to occur. Now coming to the storage structure. In storage structure, the data can be stored in different forms. The data of the operating system can be stored in magnetic tapes, optical disk, magnetic disk, solid state, main memory, cache and resistor. In these different forms the data can be stored. And next coming to the I/O structure. So the I/O structure is nothing but the input output devices. So here we have the main memory, CPU, disk controller, USB controller and graphical adapter. The mouse and the keyboard, all this comes into the I/O structures. So next coming to the topic is Unix. Unix is nothing but a file or a process. A process is a program in execution. It can be identified by an unique PID. PID means process identifier. A file is a collection of data. These are created by users using text editors, running compilers, etc. Features of Unix operating system. The features are multitasking, multi-user, portability, file security and protection, command structure, communication, open source, accounting. Thank you one and all.